Hello kids, today we are learning five senses of organs. Now let's start. Eyes, eyes, sense of sight, sense of sight. We have two eyes. We have two eyes. Right eye, left eye. Right eye, left eye. Our eyes can see. Our eyes can see. Hands, hands. Sense of touch, sense of touch. We have two hands. We have two hands. Right hand, left hand. Right hand, left hand. Our hands can touch. Our hands can touch. Ears, ears. Sense of hair, sense of hair. We have two ears. We have two ears. Right ear, left ear. Right ear, left ear. Our ears can hear. Our ears can hear. Nose, nose. Sense of smell. Sense of smell. We have one nose. We have one nose. Our nose can smell. Our nose can smell. Tongue, tongue. Sense of taste. Sense of taste. We have one tongue. We have one tongue. Our tongue can taste. Our tongue can taste.